What we have here for sale is a 1999 Mazda Miata Convertible with a brand new, not rebuilt Mazda motor in the crate from Japan. This car is originally from California and has absolutely no rust anywhere on the vehicle. Convertible is in great shape, no rips, no cuts. Rear glass is in perfect condition with defroster, power antenna, rear spoiler, this car is in very good shape. There's absolutely no body work. Doors and door panels are in very good shape. Dash is perfect with no cracks. Full leather interior. 5-speed clutch, which is brand new. Carpets and mats are in pristine shape. Weather stripping is all good. Windshield and glass are in exceptional shape. Doors have absolutely no rust anywhere. Rocker panels are all clean with no rust. Factory glazed under panel. Rims have no road rash whatsoever on them. All four are in very good shape with new tires. Central locking system, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, intermittent wipers. Driver's side, as you can tell, no rust. Car has air horns. Center console is new. Windshield is good. Side windows are perfect. Door panels are perfect. Center console with power windows. Remote for gas and fuel doors. Gas cap. Trunk compartment, immaculate. Full carpeting. Car also has unused space saver spare tire and battery tender for storage to maintain battery. By the way, this car is presently in storage and has not seen any Chicago winters. Its early life, again I say, was in California. Here is the engine compartment, spotless. Engine is brand new from Japan with only 4,000 miles on it. Radiator, hoses, and all ancillary equipment are new, including the radiator, the hoses, air conditioning condenser. Car has functional options, all working. Original stickers on the hood. Just a very clean automobile. Any questions, be free to call us at 847-702-1724. And thank you for viewing this